This is a beautiful shoulder bag by Anya Hindmarch. It's in gorgeous python leather. So it's got that fabulous markings to it. It's got a lovely sheen. And the leather actually is really soft and supple. It feels really lovely to touch and to stroke. Okay, so we've got the shoulder strap. So it's flat on the bit that you would either hold in your hand or have on your shoulder. But this beautiful plaiting detail on either side. I'll talk you through the bag in a second. I'm just going to put it on so you can see the size of the bag. The exact measurements are on the website. And if you're watching on YouTube, there's a link to that website in my comments below. But this helps to put those comments into some sort of perspective. So I am about 5'4". I'm about a UK size 8'10". Okay, so it comes with the dust bag, Anya Hindmarch dust bag. I'll just show you the back and then I'll show you the details on the front. So we've got the badge there. Okay, and we've got two pouch pockets. Inside they are suede, both of them, but they are proper actual working pockets. Flat closure, and it's an invisible magnetic breasted fasten. Okay. Inside, the bag is beautiful. It's in suede again on the inside. It really is just gorgeous. See if I can open it up for you. There's one zipped pocket just here. I can hold the bag so I can open it. There we go. One zip pocket, again, suede inside, and the badge as well. So condition. The hardware is in very, very good condition. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing for me to point out to you. I can just see that the bag has perhaps been used. The interior, again, very good condition. Again, no marks, nothing to point out to you. I can just see that the suede has been used, that the bag's been used a little bit. And the exterior is in very, very good condition. Again, I can just see there's been some use. The bottom corners actually are fabulous condition. There's nothing to show you on them. They're fine. The front's fine. There's a little bit of a mark on the back here. But other than that, the bag's fine. You can just see that somebody has used it, that's all. So like I said, there is a link to this bag on our website. If you go to my comments below, there's a direct link to this on our website. When you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase with us. It will take you about 20 seconds to do. You literally scroll to the bottom of any page on the website. There's a little box, put your email address in. We will immediately send you an email that you have to confirm, and then that's it, you've done it. And then we will immediately send you your discount code. Okay. In the box below this, I've also put a link to our Instagram. If you are on Instagram, please come and click that link and follow us on Insta. And if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel. We have got beautiful Armcandy coming in. You do not want to miss it. So subscribe to the channel, set up your alerts, and then you will always be the first to know which gorgeous Armcandy we're going to be putting onto our website next.